If, for example, you say, well, wait a second, I'm not good on camera, I don't really know what to say. I'm going to give you an example of somebody who's in your shoes, never been on camera. He was 80 years old. He had a little restaurant in Florida called Olympia Cafe. COVID wiped out all his traffic. His daughter in the purple took the workshop. She got Teddy on the phone. Who is your ideal customer? He said, my ideal customer are the people in the neighborhood that we've got policemen, fire departments. There's a hospital right by us. They said, well, they're sick of cooking. They want some food for pickup and they miss me, Teddy. And he was this really vibrant sort of Greek guy. I said, great. So here's what we're going to do, Teddy. I taught him the framework. And we're going to bring you to them and you're going to create an ad. I taught him the hook, story, offer framework. It was a super authentic ad. This is the ad that he put out.
Hi, everybody. This is Teddy from Olympia Cafe.
The next morning, his social channels went nuts. The thing went absolutely crazy, so crazy that they had to shut it off because they were backlogged. The restaurant was saved. Senator Marco Rubio had shared it on his social, and the thing blew up. But I share that for two reasons. Number one, you don't have to be good on camera. And two, that basic hook, story, offer is what you need to do.